Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Handmade by Ying with Donna. Today I'm working on the muscle car with legit kits, and I'm telling you what, it's off the hook amazing. Right now I'm working on the C section. In this block that I'm getting ready to assemble, I just finished up the colors and I'm working on 8. It's C8 and I'm going to do the assembly with you. So hang tight. I'm going to show you. Your assembly block is right here, and this is your guide. It's really important that you follow your guide to make sure that you're putting everything together the way that they're telling you to. And they have a reason for everything, trust me on this one. So here, under their directions, I'm going to marry these 2 sections together first. So that's going to be B to C. So I'm going to lay these colors down. And I'm going to use my pen, and we're going to join these up. And you're going to pin at the corners. And I'm going to just double check everything, make sure I have all the bubbles out. And we're going to get this one under the needle. Do your 1/4 of an inch. I back tack, you don't have to. That's just what I do, because I want them to stay nice and tight. I've dropped my stitch length to 1.4. I'm going to open it up, and right there is the perfect seam. Everything lines up nice and tight. So I've married these 2 together. So what I'm going to do is open the seam, finger press it out just a smidge, and then I'm going to start with the heats. And just apply the heat. Flip it over and give it a little bit of a pressing. And now I'm going to lay it down, belly down, and we're going to go to the next step. A and B. B and C is now going to be joined to the D section. And we'll flip it over, and we're going to join these guys together. And that is exactly where I want to be. Move my paper, and let's get this puppy in. I often wonder how many people owned this kind of a car when they were growing up and they were a little bit younger. And you're going to flip it open, and everything lines up yet again. And now we're going to flip it down and tear our paper. Pick up your paper, give it a pitch, move my assembly directions out of the way for just a minute. Press the seam. And give it a little bit of heat. Flip it over. And then now we're going to join these 2 sections. So now we're going to join C8A to C8B, C, and D. So you're just going to flip them over. And get it under the needle. Back tack it in. Pull your pin. Back right here. Open it up. Everything lines up. So we're going to pull the paper yet again. Legit Kits makes it simple and easy steps to follow. Let me cut that little dab off there. We're going to lay it belly down. And we're going to open the seam. Just make sure you leave the heat there for it. And that's where your magic comes together when you're doing these legit kits. So throw the paper away. And look how nice that looks. I'll get rid of all that lint. Get down this one little corner here and get my strings off. And then I'll show you these blocks. But I'm telling you what, they look fabulous. And let's have a look, see at these. So this is A. Whoops. This is 1. Let me do it that way. This is 2. This is 3. And as you can see, you've really got to watch what you're doing so everything lines up really nice. This is 4. And this was a lot of piecing on this one, but it was just an afternoon of fun sewing. This one's 5. And all the magic's going to happen when you do your final assembly. That's 5. This is 6. This is 7. Now, you got to visualize where 7's going to be on this car. And this is 8. And I think this is looking really nice. And I can't wait to start getting the rows put together. But I'm holding off on mine until I get all of my blocks completed. So the next time you see me back for a video, it'll be when I'm putting together the D blocks. Now, there's a lot of little pieces in that. So it's going to take us a little bit. But I'll see you back for that one. And that's going to be fun. So take care. God bless and have a fabulous week.